Introduction. Are you curious about the popular cooking oils that Tamils use to add delicious flavors to their meals? Look no further, as we uncover the top choices that have been cherished by Tamils for generations. From enhancing the taste of traditional dishes to promoting good health, these oils have become an integral part of Tamil cuisine. Health benefits of cooking oils. Cooking oils play a vital role in Tamil cuisine, not only for their ability to enhance the flavors of dishes but also for their numerous health benefits. Tamils have long recognized the importance of choosing the right oils for cooking, as they can have a significant impact on overall well-being. Let's explore some of the health benefits offered by popular cooking oils in Tamil households. Coconut oil, the traditional oil for Tamil dishes. Coconut oil holds a special place in Tamil cooking and is widely used for its unique tropical flavor and numerous health benefits. It is extracted from the meat of mature coconuts and is renowned for its ability to withstand high temperatures without losing its nutritional properties. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are easily digested and provide quick energy. Coconut oil is renowned for its antimicrobial qualities and can serve as a natural moisturizer for both the skin and hair. In Tamil culinary traditions, coconut oil is frequently utilized for frying, baking, and as an alternative to butter. While it is widely embraced in Sri Lanka and Kerala, its popularity is comparatively lower in Tamil Nadu. Sesame oil, the versatile oil in Tamil cuisine. Sesame oil, also called gingelly oil, holds a significant place in Tamil cuisine as one of the most adaptable cooking oils. In Tamil, it is referred to as good oil, akin to the role of virgin olive oil in European cuisine. Derived from sesame seeds, this oil is known for its nutty flavor and high smoke point, making it ideal for frying and tempering. Sesame oil is a rich source of antioxidants and contains healthy polyunsaturated fats. It is also believed to have various health benefits, including promoting heart health and reducing inflammation. The distinct aroma and taste of sesame oil are what make it a favorite for traditional Tamil recipes. Groundnut oil, a popular choice for deep frying in Tamil Nadu. Groundnut oil, also known as peanut oil, is a popular choice for deep frying in Tamil Nadu. Derived from peanuts, this oil has a mild flavor and a high smoke point, making it suitable for deep frying at high temperatures. Groundnut oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. It also contains vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect the body against free radicals. The versatility and health benefits of groundnut oil make it a preferred choice for deep frying in Tamil households. It's notable that peanuts, also known as groundnuts, were introduced by Europeans, specifically the Portuguese from South America, and quickly became a part of Tamil households. They are more popular in Tamil Nadu than in Sri Lanka or Kerala. Sunflower oil, an alternative cooking oil in Tamil households. Sunflower oil, extracted from sunflower seeds, is an alternative cooking oil that is gaining popularity in Tamil households. It has a mild flavor and a high smoke point, making it suitable for various cooking methods, including sauté, frying, and baking. Sunflower oil is rich in vitamin E and low in saturated fats, making it a healthier choice compared to some other cooking oils. Its neutral taste allows the flavors of the ingredients to shine through, making it a versatile option for Tamil recipes. Mustard oil, a staple in Tamil cooking. Mustard oil, derived from mustard seeds, is a staple in Tamil cooking due to its distinct flavor and various health benefits. It is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. Mustard oil is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to boost digestion. Its unique pungent flavor adds a distinctive touch to Tamil dishes, making it a popular choice among Tamil cooks. Olive oil, the newer addition to Tamil cooking. Olive oil, although not traditionally used in Tamil cooking, has made its way into the culinary scene in recent years. This heart-healthy oil is derived from olives and is known for its rich flavor and numerous health benefits. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and contains powerful antioxidants, which are believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. It is commonly used in dressings, marinades, and as a finishing oil for Tamil dishes. The addition of olive oil to Tamil cooking has brought a new dimension of flavor and health benefits to traditional recipes. Choosing the right cooking oil for Tamil recipes. When it comes to choosing the right cooking oil for Tamil recipes, several factors need to be considered. The type of dish, cooking method, and personal preferences all play a role in determining the ideal oil. It is important to choose oils that are suitable for high-temperature cooking, such as frying, and oils that complement the flavors of Tamil cuisine. Whether it's the distinct taste of sesame oil, the tropical touch of coconut oil, or the heart-healthy benefits of mustard oil, each cooking oil brings its unique characteristics to Tamil dishes. Conclusion. Exploring the diverse range of cooking oils in Tamil cuisine reveals the rich flavors and health benefits they bring to traditional recipes. From the pungent taste of mustard oil to the nutty aroma of sesame oil, each oil plays a significant role in enhancing the flavors of Tamil dishes. Coconut oil adds a tropical touch, while groundnut oil provides the perfect crispness to deep-fried delicacies. Sunflower oil offers a healthier alternative, and olive oil brings a new dimension of flavor to Tamil cooking. By understanding the properties and benefits of different cooking oils, Tamils can make informed choices and unlock the potential of their culinary skills. So, why not embrace the richness of Tamil cooking oils and elevate your dishes to new heights? Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.